Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, navigation system, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.